Here's how you can simply unarchive an archived email in Gmail. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, what you want to do now is that you want to open up Gmail. Once you do that, let's say I want to archive this email, and then I can long press and then archive. So as you can see, it gives me the option to undo. But let's say I pass, or this undo option passes without me selecting the undo option. How can I find this archived email? So what you can simply do is you want to select these three lines on the top left. So simply select them. And then what you want to do now is that you want to click on the all mail option. So once you do that, you can see here's the email we recently archived. So how can you retrieve this email? What you need to do now is that you want to simply click or long press and then click these three dots on the top right. Then once you do that, what you want to do now is that you want to click on the move to inbox option. And that should easily unarchive that particular email. So that's how you can simply unarchive an email in Gmail. So if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.